Jack, what'd you get for Christmas? What is it?
Submarine.
Was it Racket? Little Einstein's Racket?
Yep.
What else did you get? What's all that stuff over there?
This. This.
Spaceships?
Yes.
Aliens? Show me something else.
Show you one more spaceship. Yep. Cozy.
This castle too right here?
Yeah.
Cool. Let me see. Cool.
And turtle.
Turtle?
Swimming.
Stretching. Henry. Merry Christmas. Can you open your eyes? Henry, open your eyes.
Open your eyes, Henry.
Bye.
Yeah.
Hey guys. Ooh.
Mama,
Yeah.
I got something to show you.
What is it?